Hi, I wanted to show this case to you guys before our final cementation. This is a case of a 30-year-old female that presented to our office. She had existing crowns from her second premolar all the way to her second premolar, as you can see. And her chief complaint was that she had a lot of black triangles and she had multiple infection on her anterior teeth, on her front teeth, and her gums had receded so much that when she smiled you could see a lot of black triangles. Unfortunately, her front teeth were hopeless, so we had her anterior teeth extracted. We placed 3 implants, and as you can see, these are actually custom abutments that we placed on her, and this is the final stage. So let me go ahead and put the final restoration on this so you can see what we have done for her. So the front 3 implants is getting restored by a 4-unit anterior bridge, and as you can see, we did a pink porcelain for her, so in a final stage she won't end up with the black triangles. And also we didn't want her teeth to look so elongated, so it's bad. And the color that we chose was to suit her face. Primarily she's of Irish background, and she has a very fair skin, so the color actually looks pretty nice. And we actually customized the shape of the teeth for her during the diagnostic wax up. And as you can see right here, even in the canine, you can see, here we go, that there is a large space, so we will close it off with a pink porcelain on that. And her premolars were originally prepped as a sort of format of a 3/4 of crown, so we just kept it, but we did close the black triangles. And because she's getting married pretty soon and she wanted to have a fantastic smile before her wedding, we did the same thing on the other side. Right here you can see, and you can see the preparation and the format of it. Now let me go ahead and put the last 2 and the final one. So this is her case, and tomorrow she's coming to be cemented, and I cannot wait to show the final result with you guys.